The Guesty inbox is a smart messaging tool that centralizes all of your guest communication. This video will help you find your way around the inbox and show you how its features can be used to increase your team's efficiency. Get started by clicking Inbox. The inbox is made up of 4 sections: the sidebar on the left, the conversation feed, the message thread, and the widget sidebar on the right. Let's start with the conversation feed. Click an item, and your correspondence with the selected guest will be displayed here in the message thread. You can communicate with guests in a number of ways, via Airbnb's messaging platform, email, WhatsApp, or SMS. For non-Airbnb reservations, simply choose email and the message will be sent via the relevant booking channels platform. Internal notes can also be added to the message thread as a way of communicating with your team. These are only visible internally in Guesty and are displayed in yellow for quick recognition. The inbox lets you send pre-written responses called saved replies. These replies are created via a listing settings and are a great way to quickly answer guests with commonly used responses. Select the relevant item from the list to add it to a message. You can mark a conversation as unread by clicking the envelope icon, or snooze a conversation to follow up later by clicking here. It will then reappear in the conversation feed after the chosen amount of time. Old conversations can be archived once they've been handled by clicking here. We'll show you soon how to access those snoozed and archived conversations. Here, members of your team can be assigned to conversations. Simply select the relevant team member from the dropdown. Now we'll show you how to filter your conversation feed to view only those items that are relevant. Click here to reveal the choice of filters. You can filter by assignee, for example, to view conversations designated to certain team members, filter by the reservation status, or those conversations with reservations in certain cities. Select the relevant items and click Apply. Filters can also be saved as views for quick access next time. Click Save as New View, enter a name, and then save. The blue sidebar on the left will open up and all saved views will be displayed. You can quickly switch between views like this, and open and close the sidebar if needed. In the same sidebar, you can view your snoozed and archived conversations here. Now onto the widget sidebar. Widgets provide quick access to view and edit information without having to leave the inbox. Click each icon to view the information. You can add or edit details by clicking the pencil icon, or click here to open up the relevant section in Guesty in a new tab. Scheduled and previously sent automated messages can be viewed in this section. To turn off any scheduled messages, simply toggle them off. Or to stop all of this reservation's automated messages from being sent, click here. Lastly, the inbox makes it easy to manage communication with Airbnb's support team via this dedicated section. You can return back to the guest conversations at any time by clicking here. If you have any questions or feedback, click the question mark widget in the Guesty dashboard to contact us or to view more in our Help Center. Thanks for watching!